5-minute safety talks. Number 6. No, it is forbidden to spit. Many of you have probably seen a sign that says, "If you spit on the floor of your house, I'll do the same here." We want you to feel at home. Those who post ads like this are because they have a problem. There are people who spit in their premises and they want to combat this vice that is the cause of countless personal injuries. Most children spit a lot because they think it is elegant. Some get into the habit and stick with it for the rest of their lives, spitting everywhere. Naturally, we all have to clear our throats sometimes, particularly if we have a cold, but there is an urban way to do it and a reprehensible way to do it. I think we can all agree that mindless spitting is a dirty habit. Seeing sputum on the floor is not pleasant at all. Additionally, it poses a slipping hazard. Spit has been the cause of many falls. If we had a complete record, we would surely find that many skull fractures and many other injuries have been due to this. A few days ago, exactly 3, and this is what moved me today to talk to you about this topic, I was reading in a magazine a case in which a welder died as a result of a broken spine when he slipped on a sputum and fell into a wrong position. When I finished reading the report, a chill passed through my body and I thought that the same accident, or a similar one with tragic consequences, could occur any day at our plant. If none has happened until today, it is by true miracle, since, as we all know, among us we have people who spit on any corner or even in the middle of the hallways. Until I read that report, I had never really stopped to think seriously about the danger they put all of us in our plant who have the habit of spitting on the floor. That is why I want us all to leave here after this talk with the firm intention of never spitting on the ground, among other things because of the danger it poses to the physical integrity of all of us, as we have just seen clearly in that fatal case. When a worker spits on the floor in a clean plant, like ours, he is insulting others. I hope you think like that too. They are insulting the company, their colleagues, the entire management. They are insulting everyone who works at the plant and who doesn't spit like him. The reason why he does it is surely an ill-acquired habit, but that is no reason to excuse and reprove his behavior. With this, I am not accusing anyone in particular, although we all know, both you and I, that there are people who spit in our plant. I want those who are responsible to do as much as they can to correct that habit. All of us who don't spit deserve that deference. In addition, diseases are transmitted through spitting. Even a healthy mouth is full of germs. Most are of the harmless kind. But the product that is expectorated is something different. It can be full of very dangerous viruses, for example Streptococcus. Doctors know that disease germs do not infect everyone in the same way. For example, a person can have germs in his throat and live with them without causing any illness. This is because the defenses of a healthy body are capable of preventing these viruses from contracting a disease. But the expectoration of that healthy person can cause illness in another person who has a lower resistance. I hope this talk serves as a starting point for those who have this habit to begin to correct themselves. If we have to discard something from our throat or lungs, we can do it either in the bathroom or in the handkerchief, but never on the floor. Huascaran Advisors and Business Consultants SAC, we have Mintra auditors duly registered with the Ministry of Labor and Employment Promotion. Advice and consulting on supplier approval and implementation of the Occupational Health and Safety Law, contact us. And remember, the secret to success is making a good decision.